Hey friends, this is Wilboy. I'm back with this more Far Cry 4 video. Hey, what the hell is this?
शिकराई मुझे महसूस हुआ कि जो आश्चर्य मैंने देखे थे वो सिर्फ मेरे मनोरंजन के लिए नहीं थे। शंग्रीला खुद को बुराइयों से बचाने का प्रयास कर रहा था और अपनी रक्षा के लिए मेरा मार्गदर्शन कर रहा था।
So last time you saw I entered this place and I tried to kill some demons, and this tiger, I saved this tiger, and this tiger is asking me for help. And next place over there. This scene is beautiful. I think if who didn't play still this game, everyone should try this game to play. It's really nice though. I hope Tiger is safe. He used to get invisible. Where is he going? Where are you running to? More than that. So this is good. Yes. What the heck? From where?
अभी आक्रमण जाओ इसे मारो।
This place done. Let's go and spin this thing. Yeah.
मैं अपनी आंखों पर विश्वास नहीं कर सका। कीरा की मूर्ति ने शंग्रीला की पहली पौराणिक घंटी मुझे दिखाई, लेकिन घंटी बजी नहीं।
This is like heaven thing, and some demons attacked in the heaven. What the fuck? Man, these statues really scares me sometimes. Yeah, okay. Attack on me. I need to run for some time. Jump, 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 jump. I am waiting for my tiger to respawn here. I hope. Did you see that guy that who was throwing some fire from his mouth? I think that bitch is tough to kill. Wait, come tiger. Tiger, move from there. He's having little. What the heck?
एक खोजकर्ता का कर्तव्य इस तान को ढूंढना है, उससे बचाना नहीं है। कहा जाता है कि शंग्रीला वो जगह है जहां भगवान कीरा की ज्ञानोदय हुई थी। इसलिए जन्नत में प्राकृतिक दुनिया के नियम लागू नहीं होते।
The story this guy is saying is really nice. You should concentrate on the story.
वहां पर
Oh, look at this.
जब मैं बच्चा था तो मेरे पिता मुझे शंग्रीला की घंटियों की कहानियां सुनाया करते थे। उनकी ध्वनियां धरती से बुराइयों को दूर करती थी। वो मुझे चेतावनी देते थे, तुम अपने माता पिता का कहना नहीं मानोगे तो घंटियों की ध्वनियां तुम्हें ढूंढ लेंगी। मैं उनसे बहुत डर जाता था। इस भय का शिकार मैं अकेला ही नहीं था।
I'm having goosebumps right now. It's really nice though. Oh man.
What happened?
He's back in the world of the living.
How'd I get here? I'm okay.
You walked in holding that banker. Right, and then you put it up in a frame here and then curled up on the floor for a kip. Yeah. You would have tried. You're speaking a weird language. What happened?
I don't know, but it was fucking weird. Was that here when you moved in?
Oh, this? I was told that it's a Gale family heirloom, been passed down for generations. Did I not mention that earlier?
No, you didn't.
Did ask for the short version. Right, and we asked you to grab some of that wacky backy, eh? Did you find any?
I was a little busy.
Right,
But
that's good.
yeah, no worries. Yeah, next time. But you do come across that banker, keep us in mind.
Right, well, we're off. We'll send someone back here to clean up the rest of our shit, all right?
All right.
Toodles!
Toodles.
mission is complete new yogi. So yeah, I think we need to fill this whole frame maybe. One side is done. See. Okay. Yeah friends, if you are enjoying the video, please like and subscribe it. And let's see. Okay, first I need to buy some bullets, ammo. There it is. The heck? Okay, yeah, so what the heck? What is this? Is it not giving me any bullets? I don't know what's this. Let's see later. So this is the quest. So where's the main mission? Maybe I think now I need to complete some of the quest maybe, so that new missions may come. Let me see. This is the progress. 13 out of 32 missions I have done. So this is the quest, and this is the quest, and this is also a quest maybe. Outpost 24 out of 4. Not a single thing. 7 bells maybe. And weapons. So yeah, what's your tactics collection? Get back. So yeah, I have 6. I can carry 60 items maybe. Let's see what I need to unlock here. Hunting syringe. Handgun takedown. Press. I think this may help. Yeah, I think I'll do this one right now. Crafting a syringe to run swim faster. Okay, I'll take this one. So yeah friends, I'll be back with more Far Cry 4 videos. Stay tuned and be classy. See you later. Bye guys.